What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on Binance in 2021. Now, I've been getting lots of questions since a video that I did a couple of weeks ago about mining Ethereum, and people have been asking me how can they use Binance to make money online. What are the best ways to make money with Binance? And generally, what is Binance and how does it work and what does it do? Because a lot of people are new to cryptocurrencies, they're new to Binance, they're new to this entire world. And I want to explain to you some of the ways that you can make money with this platform. And it is one of the main platforms online to make money with cryptocurrency. And you can do all sorts of things. So I will explain to you in this video. And for you guys who are asking how you can do this and how you can make money with this platform, this is the video for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways to make money with Binance, not just one. This is pretty good for beginners and you won't need much experience, if any. So there's multiple ways to make money with Binance, but I've chosen the ways that are the easiest for beginners or someone with no experience. Now, if you're new to all of this and Binance and you don't know what it is, so this is not Binance here, but what Binance is it's a place where you can get involved with cryptocurrencies. And cryptocurrencies are online digital coins that you can hold or you can trade or you can get interest from. There's all of these ways you can make money with these cryptocurrencies. And Binance is essentially one of the main hubs that you can use to do this. So if you know about cryptocurrencies and Binance, then you kind of understand how that works. But if you haven't been involved in cryptocurrencies for a while, you definitely want to watch this video as well, because there are some ways that you might never have heard of how you can make money with Binance. Now, in this video, guys, we're bringing back the competition, okay? We figured out a way to block the spammers. So the spammers now are completely blocked. We approve all comments. You will not see any spam comments anymore. And for the spammers, don't even bother commenting because no one's going to see your comments. And if you do comment, it might take a few hours for your comment to show up. So this is how you win access to every single one of my courses, guys. You've got to smash that like button first, okay? So make sure you do that. And then find the emoji in this video. Once you find that emoji, comment the emoji below. You can do the symbol or you can just type what the emoji is. And then you'll go in the draw to win access to every single one of my courses. And we will draw this in the next video, okay? So like this video, find the emoji, comment what the emoji is below. We'll approve your comment. You could potentially win access to all of my courses. And make sure you subscribe, guys, because I bring out videos every single week on how to make money online, and they're free videos, free content for you. So let's jump into this video, and I'm going to show you how you can make money on Binance in 2021. All right, guys, so first things first, this is Binance. And essentially on Binance, you can do everything crypto. So if you want to make money with crypto, buy crypto, you can do it here. But more importantly, this website can do a lot more than you think. So you might have heard of this before, but there are a lot of other things you can actually do to make money with Binance. So what we're going to do in this video is take you through some of the things, not all of them, but some of the things that are the best for beginners to make money with the Binance website. Now, as you scroll down, I'll just give you a quick overview, but at the top, you have your basic menu, just like any other website. Then you can, I've got my wallet here. You've got all these things you can do. You've got the prices of particular coins here. We've got some of the market trends, just some stuff here, basic stuff. And then down here, there's links to all sorts of things. So all of this and most of this, you're probably never going to use, but a lot of this other stuff you will use depending on how you want to use Binance. So the first thing you can do with Binance is you can actually buy cryptocurrency on this website, which a lot of you probably already know about. Now, to make money doing it this way, there's two ways you can do it. You can buy a particular currency that you've researched. I like to buy things like Bitcoin, Ethereum. I have some Litecoin, Cardano. So you can buy coins that you think are going to appreciate in value, and you can simply click on these particular coins and you can buy the coin. A buy order here, or I can sell, but I could buy this particular coin, which is Bitcoin. And what I could do is I could hold that Bitcoin for a long period of time. And if it appreciates in value, I would make money from that appreciation. Now, another way you can make money by buying Bitcoin is you can actually buy Bitcoin and then you can sell it for a higher price. So you can buy low and sell high. Now, the problem with that is you really need a bit of a volatile market. Because you want to actually make your money back. And if the market isn't volatile, you're not going to get those swings that you need. Now, do be careful when doing this. That is called speculation, You have no idea if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down, but you can do your research and you can decide for yourself if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down, and you can buy the dips and then you can sell when the price goes up. So that's the first kind of way, well, two ways that you could make money with Binance is you can buy coins and hold them, or you can buy coins and hold them for short periods of time and then sell them for a profit in the short term. Now, another great way that you can make money with Binance, one of my favorites right now, if you go to finance and you go to Binance Earn, so that's a bit confusing, finance then Binance. So finance then Binance Earn, what you can do is you're going to come to this particular page here. Now, this is one of my favorite ways to make money with Binance. So this is called Binance Earn. And what you're actually doing is you are making money by holding your coins on Binance, okay? So you've got a guaranteed one here and a high yield. Now, a guaranteed one essentially means that you're guaranteed some sort of return. And these are the returns here, estimated annual returns. So you've got a 10%, 4.9 to 21%, 6%, 6%, 3%, 3.2, 1.2, and 0.6. Now think of this like a bank account. So first of all, you can do what we call staking, and you can stake Binance Coin, okay? And you can also stake Ethereum. And essentially what happens is you make coins in return. Now you want to go and research staking and how it works if you don't know what it is about. This isn't a tutorial on what staking is, but you can stake coins. The next best thing, and the one that I like, is you can essentially get a fixed savings. So it's kind of like a bank account. So what you can essentially do is you can transfer some coins into these types of coins here. And for example, let's take Bitcoin for example, okay? Let's say I put some Bitcoin in here on a flexible saving. Now, the interest rate is quite low, but there's probably a lot less risk here, is 1.2% per year, okay? It's quite a low interest rate, but that's what I would make. Or there's something like the Tether here, where you would make about 6%. Okay, or there is Binance Coin where you would make about 3%. So it really just depends on what you want to do, okay? But do your research on this, make sure you have the money to put into this. And then there's actually an Ethereum flexible saver, but the interest rate is pretty low at 0.48%. It's hardly worth actually doing that one. And they've got popular coins. They've got literally all the coins you can do. Actually, let me click on this one here, which is Tron, okay? I actually stake a lot of this one here. So this is Tron coin. I really, really like this coin. I make quite a bit of money staking this one. But you can stake this coin for a 12.4% interest rate if you put it in for 15 days, a 5.8 for 60 days, 4 for 30, and 0.77 for flexible. So Tron is one of the best coins to do this with. I've been doing it with this coin for many years now, and I've made some really good money. So you can just go through and pick what type of coin you want to make some money on. You want to, maybe you have these coins already. You want to invest and make some money. Now, another way that you can make money with crypto is by spending crypto. And that might sound weird, but you can use a Binance Visa card. And what that does is you can use this with over 60 million merchants worldwide. Now, you might be thinking about how can I make money when I'm spending money or spending coins? Well, you can actually get up to 8% cash back on your purchases. So a lot of people think that credit cards are bad, and they can be bad in the wrong hands. But if you have some control, you pay them at the right times, there's lots of benefits you can actually get from having some sort of credit card. And this works with normal credit cards do the same thing, but this is like a crypto coin version. So this is another way that you can make some money. Essentially, you're not really making a lot of money. You're just getting a bit of a cash back. So an 8% cash back, up to 8% cash back on eligible purchases. So this is just the extra one that I threw in. If you are buying things with Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies, it makes sense to maybe do this because you could get a cash back on your money. Now, another great way to go out and earn some money with Binance is by inviting your friends, and you can earn up to a 40% commission. So this is like an affiliate marketing program. And what that means is when you send someone to that link and they start to trade coins, you get a percent of the commission and you get paid in coins. So here's an example right here. Here's a video that I did recently. In the description, when I go see more, I go top places to buy crypto, and I have Binance and another one that I recommend. When people click on this link and they make a purchase, I get a percentage of the commissions, and then I get paid with coins into my account. So this is like affiliate marketing. Refer your friends and get rewarded for doing that. Now, this is a really good way of actually making money with Binance, and a lot of people do this. So if I go something like Binance tutorial and I click on this one here, this guy probably has a link down here. Yes, he does. So Binance. So he would get a commission every time someone goes and makes a purchase. He will get a percentage of those fees. All right, guys, so that's some of the main ways that you can make money with Binance. Now, if you want to find some other ways to make money, you can use the menu here. So like I said, I'm not going to go over every single one, but we talked about some investment here. You can also do Binance pooling, which is you can mine crypto coins and things like that. So you can click on that and you can figure out what that is. And there are tutorials on how you can actually do that. There's also liquid swaps, which you can get into. Now, the reason I'm not actually diving deep into these particular methods right now, well, especially liquid swaps, I know about Binance pooling, is because I don't know much about these particular methods. So I don't want to show you them, because there's more information on the Binance website that you can go and look at to figure out how to do these ones. Then we have derivatives here. There's all sorts of stuff here that you can do, but more importantly, there's also trade. So you can do margin trading, all of this stuff, stock token. I haven't really looked into this, advanced trading. But the thing about this, guys, is this is more for advanced people, especially margin trading. That's for advanced people. It's not for beginners, and it's for people that actually have experience, okay? But what I've done in this video is I've gone over some of the ways that you can, some of the ways that I think are best for beginners. So you've got the Binance Earn, which is your interest. You've got the Visa card, and then you can go up to your account here. Let me have a look here. You go to your account and you can go to referral, okay? And in referral, you can refer people to Binance and make money that way. All right, guys, that's how you can make money on Binance. A very simple tutorial showing you exactly how you can make money with cryptocurrency. If you want some more videos on how you can make money, make sure you click the videos on the screen right now. These are completely free tutorials on how you can make money online. Don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, tap that notification bell, and I'll see you in one of the next videos on the screen.